Alright folks, 2006 Trailblazer SS. I just had to have it towed home. It died on me while driving. When it went to refire, started up twice, would run for about 5-6 seconds and then die. And then it got to the point where when I would turn it on, I only had and reduced engine power light, but no check engine light. I thought it was a little odd, checked some things under the hood, played with some relays, unplugging things, plugging things back in, did not change anything, did not fix anything. Got it towed home, and I had a spare ignition switch, but no tools to switch it out with, and now here we are. I actually have the new one in currently, and the truck did fire up, but kind of want to recreate the scenario. And oh yeah, there's my garage cat. Everybody needs one. Want to reduplicate this issue just so everybody, maybe I can help somebody with it. I don't know, apparently it's common on these. When I bought the truck, it came with a spare, and I said, wow, it's kind of generous. The guy's giving me free parts, and here's a GM one that I have plugged in, and everything does work. So let me just see how this all goes together. Alright, so here's my bad one. As you can see, the numbers are different. Original's GM. Or, I'm sorry, the new one is a GM. Just make sure that's different position. And these, you can literally bench test with it unplugged. Right now it's in the off position, and they roll. So, off. See, that time it didn't light up. Yeah, all right. So it's broken. Now we have my new GM1. Plug that back in. We're going to give this a roll of the dice. Just cycle the key a few times. And now here we're going to start it. Even though I have the ignition switch out, the key still has to be in a position other than off, otherwise it'll not set right. see, with the key all the way off now. And then if I move the key all the way over into the on position, starts no problem. So now I get to enjoy my nice $75 tow bill. I will probably definitely be signing up for AAA at this point because I have too many vehicles to be dealing with this nonsense. So yeah, if you own a Trailblazer or a Trailblazer SS, keep a spare ignition switch with you and the tools to swap it out. All you need is a screwdriver to get to the bottom hole, which is going to be in that hole, and this pulls right out. That's for your tilt wheel.